Well, Indian sports shooting star Vijay Kumar has finally received a much-awaited promotion from the Army. The Olympics hero who did the nation proud at London Games with the silver medal had cried foul and not been given his due by the armed forces. But the Army has now promoted Vijay Kumar to the rank of Subedar Major. The Army announced the promotion for Vijay during a felicitation event honoring the Olympic hero's feat at the capital this morning. Vijay ranked as a Subedar before the Olympics began his career. He in fact expressed his resentment after winning the medal for not getting his due from the Army despite bringing laurels to the nation earlier in his career. The Himachal Pradesh shooter had sparked a row when he publicly hit out at his employers for failing to recognize his achievements and had even received support from the sports minister and the defense minister. However, the Army, recognizing the shooter's immense contribution, has now honored him by handing him his much-due promotion to douse the raging controversy.
मैंने कहा है हम पूरी कोशिश करेंगे, पूरी मदद करेंगे और आप देखेंगे इनमें बहुत काबिलियत है। आपने देखा होगा कि शूटर मेजर विजय कुमार में बहुत काबिलियत है। जिस प्रकार से ये बातचीत करते हैं, इंग्लिश के अंदर बात करते हैं, ये पढ़े लिखे हैं और इनमें काबिलियत है अफसर बनने के लिए। हम वो पूरी जो उनकी जो काबिलियत है उसको और मजबूत करेंगे ताकि ये कमीशन ऑफिसर बन सके।
Because from last 4 years I was training for I was waiting for my incentive. And this promotion, I was supposed to get it last year, but now finally I get it. So now I can say yes. इन्होंने मेरे को प्रॉमिस किया है और आने वाले कुछ समय में टाइम लगता है और 5-6 महीने के अंदर इन्होंने बताया कि वो जो कमीशन की जो कार्रवाई वो होगी और उसका उस तक मेरे को वेट करना पड़ेगा। जब वो होगी फिर उसके आगे आप लोगों को पता लग जाएगा। कि मैंने पहले भी ये बात नहीं बोली थी कि मैं आर्मी छोड़ रहा हूँ। मेरे कुछ एक ड्यूज थे वो पेंडिंग थे, तो अब जाके वो कुछ एक मेरे जो सूबेदार मेजर का प्रमोशन हुआ, मेरा ये सीनियरिटी में था और ये लास्ट ईयर कंफर्म होना चाहिए था, लेकिन इस साल जाके कंफर्म हुआ है। और चीफ साहब ने मेरे को श्योरिटी दी है कि जो मेरा कमीशन रैंक है वो कुछ ही दिनों में वो उसके लिए कार्रवाई करेंगे और आई होप कि वो हो जाएगा।
All right, Vijay Kumar, they are saying he's been given assurance by the Army chief that he would get his commission rank in a few months' time. Let me go across to Sundar Iyer now, who joins us for more on the story. Sundar, well, Army has played a major role in honing this shooting star. He's got a silver medal. There is individual brilliance involved, of course, but there has to be institutional support, and that's exactly what he got being a part of the Indian Army.
Well, absolutely, Ruchika. There's no doubt that the Indian Army has played a key role in Vijay's progress from being a shooter for India to now an Olympic champion. But there, as we heard from Vijay, he was a little upset that he didn't get his promotion, which was due last year. But the Army certainly has recognized his achievements in London, and they now promoted him to Subedar Major.